Hello friends, my name is Mayur. I have created a 3D kids book that's already selling on Amazon KDP. Here's exactly how I did it in less than 2 hours, and you can also do it. And I really mean it. It will not take more than 2 hours even with the edits of images and the text. In this video, I'm showing you 3 simple steps that turned my idea into a published book on Amazon. If you have ever wanted to create your own children's book, but thought it would take days or weeks, I'm going to show you how I made it much faster using AI tools and simple process. So the step 1 is idea and story. So the first step was choosing the idea and writing the story. For me, I chose a kids book because children's books are simple, creative, fun to make, and they're also a great way to create something meaningful that parents can enjoy with their kids. I didn't try to overcomplicate it. I started with a simple concept. I wanted a story that would be easy for children to follow, visually exciting, and emotionally positive. So I asked myself a few basic questions. Who is the main character? What is the adventure or the problem? What lesson or feeling I do want the child to take away at the end of the story? So you can also use any AI tool like ChatGPT to get a short summary of a story based on all these simple questions. So once I had that, I can insert that prompt or that description of the story into a tool called Artistly to create the story. So one of the reason I like using Artistly is that it's one-time purchase of approximately $147. So there is no monthly fees, no recurring credits, and no hidden charges. That means you can keep using it again and again to create more books and more designs without worrying about running out of credits. So without wasting any time, let me share my screen and show you how to do it. So once you log into your Artistly account, you will see this interface. You have to click on create design, and then you have to click on fast AI image designer. Then you have to go to AI storybook studio, idea to storybook, create new story. Here, if you want to use any particular image that you have already created, you can use that image as a reference photo to use it into your story, or you can click on AI character to let the tool design its own image. Here, you can paste any prompt you have got from any chatbot, or you can just simply write Leo the lion sees his own reflection in the water and assumes it as a rival lion. He starts fighting with him. A wise monkey shows him that it is his own reflection he is fighting with. The moral of the story is that sometimes the greatest enemy is not someone outside but our own self. This simple 2 3 lines. I just explained the tool, what the main idea of the story is. Then story type, there are various types of story like fiction, non-fiction, moral, mystery, fantasy, comic. You can choose any option. Here I will choose moral. Then the age group is 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 12, and 12 plus. I will select 5 to 7 for the early readers. The number of pages maximum you can select 32. Whatever number you are typing it here, those many images it will generate. Means if you select 32, it will create 32 images plus 32 pages of text for each image, and one cover image for the storybook. So total 65 page storybook will get created if you enter 32. and the based on the number of pages, it will take some time to process it. So here I will select 12. In number of character maximum you can select 2, since here we are having a lion and a monkey. And this is the critical step, dimensions. You have to select 3:4 if you want to create a ready to upload PDF with all the formatting which is compatible with the Amazon KDP. If you select any other dimension, it will create the story, but it will not create that compatible PDF copy. So it's a critical step. You have to select 3:4. Book details is optional, but if you want, you can create your title here, write your title, book title. If you want to select your name as an author, you can keep it, or you can keep it blank, or you can simply write anything. The story viewer, any random name, click on generate. So this generation of the images is the second step. The first step was to create the short story and selection of all these parameters like type of story, age group, number of pages, dimension. And the second step is to create the images. And I used Artistly to generate the illustrations for the book. And what I liked about using AI is that I didn't need to be a professional illustrator or spend weeks trying to design every page myself. Instead, I could describe the kind of scene I wanted, the character style I wanted, and the visual mood, and then use that to generate the artwork. The key here was also consistency. I wanted same character to look similar from one page to the next, and I wanted the whole book to feel like one complete visual world. So as you can see, the images are getting processed. It will take some time, but I have already created the similar kind of a story earlier just to cut down on the time. So as you can see, this is the cover image which got generated, and these are the other images which got created. And let's say if you are not satisfied with any kind of any image, you can click on this I button. You can tell it to regenerate the design, or you can edit this image with a prompt. Whatever you want to change or edit, you can say it in your words and it will edit. You can swap this image, story image, with any other image which you have already created in Artistly. You can edit the story text. Each image has a story text. This image has this text: as Leo looked down, he saw another lion looking back at him. This lion had a golden mane just like his. And you can, if you're not satisfied with this text, you can edit it as per your own desire and click on submit. I'll keep it as it is. And you can see each image has a particular number. This means this image will come onto a page number 4. So likewise, all the images are having a number. So you will able to correlate which image is related to which text and what is the number of page for that particular image. Let me refresh it. Yeah, so our new storybook also got created. As you can see, these are the images which got created. If you're not happy with some kind of, like here you can see there are two monkeys, you can edit it. Okay. And once this images got created, you have to go to my flipbook, then click on create new, create, click on create flipbook. Just wait. We have used this AI Storybook Studio. So you have to remember, you have to select AI Storybook Studio. Otherwise, you will not see the images which got created. So here I will select AI Storybook Studio. Automatically, these images got changed. I will click on create flipbook. You have to select any one image and it will automatically select all the images created for this particular story. As you can see, the earlier story is not selected. If I click on this image, it will select all the images related to particular that story. It will deselect the earlier selected images. So this is a smart system which knows which image belongs to which story. So any one image you select, it will automatically select all the story in a particular order. And once that is selected, you click on create flipbook. Here it will automatically bring that title name which got created in the cover image. You can keep it as it is. You can select the voice. There are many voices, male, female. You can listen to a voice.
Hi there. My name is Ethan
This is the
Bright.
male. This is the female voice.
Hi there. My name is Claire.
You can use
whatever voice you like, you just select that voice. Then you browse the template. You can upload if you have created anything or generate it, or you can browse built-in templates. The images will appear inside this kind of a design. So if you want, you can select any design if you like. Otherwise, you can keep it as a blank. For the front cover, it is already created. You can click on choose from library, browse the front cover. Back cover, if you want, you can use any other image or browse from your PC, or you can keep it as blank. Then click on generate flipbook. So this is the third step of assembling all the images into a one ready to upload PDF file. Now it will process all those images. As you can see, we had selected 12 number of pages. So 12 plus 12, 12 image plus 12 text images, text pages, 24, and one cover image. So total 25 pages. Now it will take some time. Meanwhile, I will show you the one which I had already created just to cut down on the time. So there are two options like watch video. You can convert this storybook into video which you can upload into your YouTube channel.
In the heart of a big green jungle lived a brave lion named Leo. He had a magnificent golden mane and a mighty roar. Leo loved to stride through his jungle home, feeling strong and proud. He thought he was the mightiest of all.
So this is how and you can download this video to upload into your YouTube channel. Another option is to read it. You can share the link for reading it online as a flip book. You can just click on this play button. You will start reading.
Of a big green jungle lived a brave lion named Leo. He had a magnificent golden mane and a mighty roar.
So you can also pause it and scroll it manually if you don't want it to read it out. You can read it on yourself. Get it loaded. So this is how these options are there. And I can see this option has come. You can convert this to video. Yes, convert. And can also click on download KDP manuscript to get a PDF file which is totally formatted and having all the necessary compliances required for loading into Amazon KDP account. So as you can see, I have already opened this earlier story. So this is how the PDF will look like. As you can see, the images are crystal clear without any blurring and all formatted properly on from all the side, that padding and everything is there, so that paper book can be printed on Amazon KDP. So that's it. So just to quickly recap, the three steps were to idea, images, and assembly. That's how I did it. First, I chose a simple kid story idea. Second, I used Artistly.ai tool to generate those images. And third, I assembled that manuscript and illustrations into a proper book format using the same tool. So these are the only three steps you require. So if you want to do this yourself, join my email list below in this video. I'm sharing the PDF copy of entire process of creating the storybook along with how to publish it into your Amazon KDP account. You can publish your storybook on Amazon KDP in less than 24 hours and start selling it online. Check the link in the description, join the email list, and I'll send you the details and also post you about any future updates regarding any new projects that I'll be doing. So thanks for watching. Thank you.